In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphics settings on Cyberpunk 2077. So let's get started right away. First of all, open the game on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. You may pause your game and then go into settings, where you will find the graphics option. Now, there are various quick presets that you can use, and this depends on how much resources your PC has. I would recommend to start with the Ultra preset, and you have the option to choose from the various different resolution scaling models. Some devices work better with DLSS, and some work better with AMD FSR. There is also the various presets that you can choose for the resolution scaling. And underneath, you have the image sharpening option. If you have low resources, you can also use the frame generation option, which will use AI to generate additional frames so that you can get more frame rate. You have two options within this, and the only way to find which one works better is to try both of them. Then you have the ray tracing option. Only turn this on if you have a high-end GPU and if you have high VRAM to spare. The crowd density option should also be kept at low or medium if you don't have much resources. Leave the default field of view, and the rest are just based on your preference. And the options like film grain and motion blur depend entirely on your preference. Try reducing chromatic aberration to free up your system a little bit more. Then within the advanced options, you can find the contact shadow and various other parameters. Turn the contact shadows off if you want more FPS. You can also put the anisotropic filtering to about 8x instead of using the highest, which is 16. Now, within the following parameters, I would recommend to turn down the mirror quality, the volumetric cloud quality, as well as the fog. Pretty much wherever you see an ultra option, make sure that the high option is selected instead. However, if you have much higher VRAM and system resources, then you can keep these at ultra as well. Click on the apply button and then see how your settings perform within your game. If you need to make any more changes, or if you are not getting the desired frame rate, then you can try using the quick preset to reduce your quality down to high and further reduce your mirror quality as well as various other levels of detail. Most of it is hidden trial based on your system configuration. You can also try running a benchmark to see how your current settings feel and how it will perform within your game. Make sure to keep an eye out on the lowest FPS and the 1% lows. If the 1% low is above 40 or 45, then you are good to go. And that is how you can optimize your graphic settings for Cyberpunk 2077 to get the best performance. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.